Welcome to the channel, guys. Today I thought I'll do a completely different video. That's cryptocurrency. I have invested in crypto as well, other than ASX shares. So I thought I'll do a video, and going forward, I will make a playlist in my channel for crypto. And yeah, I'm thinking of doing crypto videos because we are here to learn technical analysis, which can apply for any chart, and we are here to make money. That's my main goal. We invest money and we expect a good return later, depend on the time horizon for different people. Like some may be looking for short term, some may be medium term, some may be long term, 5-10 years time. So I personally believe, I'm not an expert in crypto, but I personally believe cryptocurrency, digital assets will become a thing in the future. So it's better to get in and invest and see how things go. Like, investing is taking a risk, and if it pays off, you will get good return. Otherwise, what you have to do is stop loss, which I always talk in my channel. So which will save, you will make a loss, but it will save the what they call less loss rather than a bigger loss, if you use stop losses correctly. Anyway, so as I mentioned, I was um, trading Bitcoin and Ethereum, ADA, all those cryptocurrencies for a while. So since now Bitcoin is pumping, I thought we'll look at Bitcoin, Ethereum, and few other main cryptos in this video. Then going forward, we'll see how we go. Anyway, this is the crypto dominance chart. You can see now I have marked few levels here. So you can see now crypto dominance has gone above this previous support level, came, retested here, and sorry, try to make it big. She came here, went up, came and retested this level, and now it's heading up. So it is a good time for Bitcoin. With Bitcoin dominance going up, you can see the RSI keep pumping up, so that is good sign for crypto. So first, let's look at Bitcoin. Since we discussed Bitcoin, what are the levels we are looking at? So again, I'm looking at the daily most of the time because my strategy is a bit more long-term investment, not like 4 hours or hourly charts much. Purely with my other work, I don't have time that much to look at 4 hours. If you see a trend in daily, it is more long term to, let's say, medium to long term. That's why I personally looking at daily chart for the crypto, because I know a lot of YouTubers and other people look at 1 hour, 4 hour, which I look, but I most of the time try to see long trends, purely with my time with other stuff. Anyway, let's have a look what's happening with Bitcoin. As you know, Bitcoin had a bottom or lower prices around this area, July, August, sort of July 21st is the low. Then it had it run going up, then came and tested the 50% level, and I had few levels marked up. You can see in the chart these resistance. Now since this second low, Bitcoin has gone up now, around 55%, let's say 50%. Let's look at now what are the new areas it's So main thing was this area was the concern when I was sort of looking at it. Let's say I'll make another line here so you can have a look, see it properly. See this price area, you can see here from the chart. Previously we were struggling with this area. Price 57,000. The other thing is these are USD charts. So this is not the AUD, this is the USD chart. So USD, see here 57,500 to around, let's say up to here even 60,000. It had resistance, and even here they have resistance. So we are in that area. We passed sort of this area now. You can see here in the daily we passed that area, which is a good sign. So now volume has picked up. If you go to the 4 hours, you can clearly see the volume has picked up. So this resistance, you can see it tested this resistance, went down, sort of testing this resistance, then had a big, is it a big volume? No, not big volume, but like it passed very nicely that resistance, then sort of tested that other resistance area, then the volume came up. You can see last 4 hours, like last 4 hours, and it has passed that level as well. So next level I am watching is this. That's the all-time high. Go to the daily. That's the all-time high price. Volume is slightly increasing. That is a good sign. I have a feeling it may go like try to clear this resistance and fail and come back again into this area, like retest something like this, bit more breather in that area before going to the, let's say, blue skies. That's the after this point, that this is the all-time high. So it's blue skies for Bitcoin. So Bitcoin really looking good, but what I learned with crypto is unless you, let's say, if you invest in it early enough, if you try to catch that thing now, because it has run up nicely about 50%, there may be a pullback soon, and the pullback sometimes are very like big, 20-30% or 40% is sort of a normal thing in crypto market. So that's what you have to be, what you call, that's what you have to be clear about. If you want to buy Bitcoin now, you have to be you have to know in your like mindset, this can pull back since it has run a good run since this dip. What I normally do is I just wait for a dip, and if that dip comes to a 50% level or into a support level, I would buy. But it doesn't mean if you keep on buying in all the dips, you may lose as well. See here, I'll show you example. Let's say this is similar like what's happening now. So we were thinking to buy, waited, then we had a correction here. We thought, oh, that's a good time to buy. See here, correction is about 20%, 18%. Let's say you buy here, then you didn't have a much run, then came down, going down, sort of settled here. So that's the tricky part. When you're buying at the dips, you have to be very, very clear, and you have to have the stop losses, like I always say. So let's say, if, for example, I'm just giving example, this time it may run because a lot of people talking going to 100,000 and more. It may run, but we always have to cover our money. Like let's say if you are making losses, we have to minimize our loss. That's That's this game, you know. So let's say, for example, we all wait, come, there's a dip, we think that's a good time to buy, we buy. Then always, if you are not a long-term believer, if you are believing Bitcoin will go to 1 million one day, then these small dips or small drops doesn't matter. But if you are a short-term, medium-term, if you are here to make quick money, you have to be very careful buying at the dips. Let's say, for example, we buy in this dip, we are looking at this going up, cleared the previous high, came to new high, it's good, then had a drop or pullback, made a higher low, that's good sign, and we buy in this dip. But then see what happened, it fall down and came to rest here. So if I want to buy, let's say if I see it's going up, pullback, I want to buy, I would buy with a stop loss. Let's say I put the stop loss around same here or a bit further down around here. That way, if I lose some money, my money is protected. Like, not protected, sorry, my loss is limited. Because if I don't have a stop loss, let's say I buy here, then do nothing. Let's say I managed to time the bottom, which nobody can. Let's say for this video, then I lose about 42% at the bottom. So if you are willing to digest, if you can digest that, yeah, no issue, because crypto is like that. Gains are high, losses are high as well. But if you can't digest, I would put a stop loss. This, let's say this is your buy price. Let's go 10% around here. That's where your stop loss. Then if it goes up, yeah, you can move this stop loss higher and higher, then gain the money, like the returns you get. And if it goes south like this, at least you minimize your loss. So that's the way you have to play any market, not crypto or even the ASX. That's share market. That's how you want to play, and that's how I always encourage you to put stop losses. That's the way it is. Anyway, that's a different topic. So this is Bitcoin. It looks really good at this stage. The last resistance is this 64,800. Let's see what happens in next few days. Volume is slightly picking up. RSI is going in the right direction. Yeah, let's keep an eye for this one. Other thing I wanted to show you is these some news, because Bitcoin there's a discussion or talk about US ETF. I saw a YouTube video just now before this. It is approved, so it may be approved still. This is not a what you call updated. So what they are going to do, like is ETF. So US SEC will not oppose future-based Bitcoin ETFs. That's the speculation. Just before recording this, I saw it's approved. I'm not sure, so let's keep an eye. We will get those news in the future. So Bitcoin is now world's 8th most valuable asset. Bitcoin now targets silver 1.131 trillion market cap. So many news, so much news. And the other thing I wanted to show you guys is this tech dev, and you also can follow. He's in the Twitter. He put this what you call nice what's the word, these look at the technicals and do predictions, or you can say technical analysis, and see what things happen. Because what I like about this one is he show you how he get to these things, whereas someone, a lot of YouTubers, a lot of people on the market, they will tell you something, but they will not reveal how they come to that prediction, Bitcoin to 1 million, Bitcoin to 150, whatever. They will not show you. then it is bit hard. Like technical analysis, it is this tech dev 52. You can follow him in Twitter. He normally show you how he came to this, whatever the price level he's saying. Anyway, let's have a look at this one. See, this is Bitcoin 2-week chart. What he's marked up is this RSI. See here, this is around, he hasn't mentioned, it's maybe about 90 by looking at it. So each cycle, when it reach 90%, that's sort of the high in the that cycle, and when it reach sort of, maybe this is 20, maybe he hasn't put, but let's say 20 for example, around 20, that's the bottom. So he has marked few, you can see always when it reach around 90, it has pulled back. So you can see here 2017, same story. Then the low is around here. Now there's a high here, then the low again. This low hasn't gone all the way here, but anyway, what prediction is, or technical, from the technical analysis, what he's saying is, this is, if we go this sort of path, we will reach 90, around 90, about, I think about maybe December, January, that's what I am expecting, the top will come. So it will be in these circles around somewhere here low. So this is like 80,000. Yeah, I think this is 80,000. Yeah, 80,000 to 300,000. So most of the time it is in the middle of these circles, the tops. See in the middle. So 100,000, 130 maybe what I am thinking. Yeah, let's keep an eye, so you all can follow him, and he will put these type of technical analysis predictions. See here, I saw another one. He is analyzing the Bitcoin price to, sorry, gold. Like how gold price came up, and he was sort of, because we were tracking is it this one? No, this is the, he got this graph from 2017 and put it on current price chart, and yeah, we seems to follow it really nicely, and as per that one, it is around, anyway, above 200,000. Yeah, let's see, who knows what will happen. Again, technical analysis, and we are here to make money, but the only thing you have to be is, don't do things like idiots. Just keep here, this is what I was looking at. Bitcoin 70s gold fractal check. So this is the, this is yellow color is how gold prices, gold price chart in 1970, 70s gold price against Bitcoin. You can see we are following really nicely this pattern. So what he's predicting is, see, 2022 is maybe the top, then pull back, then 285. I personally think once Bitcoin pass 100,000, a lot of people will start buying it. There will be a lot of these funds try to get Bitcoin into their portfolio. So after 100,000, I expect it will go up like this, but I don't know if it is that closer. It maybe not that quick. But after 100,000, I have a feeling lot of adoption will happen. Yeah. Okay, that's Bitcoin. I wanted to show you a few others. Let's do it quickly. I didn't realize it. I have taken so much time. So ADA, quickly, I'll do quickly. You can see it's going sideways now. So this is the 50% head, like it's sitting higher on 50%. So that's at least a good sign. Volume has slightly picked up. RSI more or less same level. So it's consolidating like what it did sort of this period. So let's see what happens. Then Ethereum, again, these are all daily charts. It was above 50%, had a run with more consolidation. Now it's edging to this top. Let's see what happens. Oops. Let's see what happens with this one. Again, RSI is going nicely. I won't do everything. I think that's yeah, let me know, because it's already, I just realized it's more than 20 minutes, which is a bit more for a YouTube video. Please let me in the comments if you want to have a look at any other coin. I know so many YouTubers, they are doing the crypto videos. Anyway, thanks guys, and if you like my videos, please subscribe. I know a lot of people watch my videos and don't subscribe, but please subscribe to my channel. That will help a lot for my channel. Thanks.